Oh yeah, nah, this banga rice is a banger. Take a look at it. So let's start with parboiling 3 cups of rice. So right now I'm just seasoning some beef because we are going to be making some pepper meat. Yeah, I'm adding some onions and scotch bonnet and seasoning and salt. Yeah, so that's all we need for now. Just cover and set it aside. So right now I'm checking on my rice to make sure it's half done. So I'll go ahead and wash the rice and set it aside. This is our banga. Our banga have been cooking, so I'm just checking on it. So I'll go ahead and add our blended onions and scotch bonnet. Yeah, this is roughly blended. I'll also go ahead and add our 1.5 seasoning cube, some salt, and our crayfish. Yeah. So after that is ready, I'll go ahead and add our rice. Yes, our half cooked rice, almost cooked though, because your banga rice have to be soft. If it's not soft, is that even banga rice? Is that? So right now our rice is almost ready. I'm just going to stir it to make sure our rice is not burning. Take a look at that. It's almost coming together already. This is me just checking on the rice to see if it's soft the way I want it, but it's not. So I'm adding a little bit of meat stock. Yeah, you guys notice I've not added meat stock. So that's how I added meat stock little by little until I got my desired softness from the rice. Right now I'm just prepping the pepper meat. I'm just going to be frying those beef. Yeah, I added some tomato blend. Yeah, that's tomatoes, onions, and scotch bonnet. So I'll just cover that, and I later added some more assorted. Yeah, this is me just adding the remaining meat stock. So let's go back to our rice. I'm just stirring everything together because at this stage, guys, our rice is ready. Take a look at that yummy goodness.